tacos sa Mexico. Viva la Mexico! Here are the ingredients for the Mexican tacos. Ground beef, grated cheese, chopped lettuce, chopped onion, tomato or sauce, and taco shell. Let us now prepare tacos. First, put the ground beef in the taco shells. Second, let's put the chopped onions. Next is the salsa. Add the lettuce. Then let us top it with grated cheese. Tada! Déjanos comer Mexican tacos. Yee!
Deep three. And first, put the meat. Hold the tacos. Hold the tacos. Use your left hand, hold the tacos. Another one ng meat. Go, Elix, you can do it. Let's put the onions. Put the onions. I said put the onions. Like this. Hold. Put the onions. Left hand. Very good.
Tacos.
Yes, good job. And then you put the lettuce. Hold. Hold mo to. Hold. Hold. Hold properly. Hold. Very good. And then put more cheese. Do not stay there. Stay there. Alex, come back. And then smile. There, you come. There, you stay there. And then look at that.
Gitna, Alex, gitna.
Gitna of the table. Smile, Alex. And then smile kay tatay. Smile kay tatay. Dito.
Look here, Alex.
Look here.
Alex.
Alex.
Camera, Alex.
Camera. Wait.
Little po na yun.
It's okay. 1, 2, 3, and bite. Bite. Big mouth.
Yeah.
Big mouth. It's okay. Yay!
Okay na. Okay.
Good job.
Cut ko na. 3, 2, 1. Cut.